Hey everyone, welcome to Malaysian Fixers. Just doing some experimenting here to see if how this live stream works at night. Can you guys join the stream? Oh, okay. But the thing is,
So you're going like that.
okay, but I see no subs. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
one.
one. I gotta wait for you.
So
Okay,
if I watch it, it's like this.
okay.
So you go like that. Come on, turn it.
I've set the orientation. There's a button you can set the orientation. So one thing though is, hang on, huh? If I can view the comments, that would be interesting.